Welcome back, VA users. In today's video, we are going to cover the internal use inventory. Now, what's basically the internal use inventory? There are cases in each business when some inventory is procured just for the internal consumption. I will give you the example. The stationery is one of the best example. To run each organization, there is some stationery items needed. That is somewhere like notepads, pen, papers, A4 size sheets. So all these are needed somewhere to run an organization, and in some cases, dresses is also the part. Then you have the canteen expenses; those are completely internal use expenses like tea, coffee. Okay, so there are many of the things, and also in terms of your actual inventory that you used to sell. Now, if I'm dealing in electronic shop, then there is a possibility that my employee can procure the same item from me. Okay, or that item is internally consumed within the organization. I will convert it into the asset and utilize one of the AC, let's say. So there are certain consumption items. So how we can do the consumption into the VA system? For such a kind of consumption, you have internal use inventory. Okay, so at the level of the internal use inventory, you will consume a certain item. Now, if I will move on to the internal use inventory and I will showcase you how we can do that entry. Now, I'm at my landing page of IDS Inc. admin. So let's move on to the internal use inventory. At this level where we are consuming, we just need to select that warehouse. So my document type is internal use. I'm consuming this inventory on this state. This is going to be the warehouse, and then we just need to save. So there is certain options, that is you would be able to create the lines from the requisition, because such a kind of consumption items, requisition can be raised. So you would be able to select those items. So you consumable items would be listed here. If there is any onto the requisition, then you would be able to select and say okay, and the system will generate the internal use inventory lines. Right now I do not have, but I just want to go and consume some items. So in my case, I'm just consuming one FC connectors from my HQ locator. Let's say FC connectors. I want to consume 2 quantities of FC connectors internally. What is going to be the inventory expense? It is going to be the inventory expense charge, to which cost center and profit center it belongs to. So let's say it belongs to unit 1, and then I would save this, and in this way I would be able to enter a number of lines for the products. Once it is entered, thereafter we just need to move on to the header. We need to say complete, and once this record is completed, then system will consume that much of item from the warehouse. So that is how you would be able to generate an internal use inventory into the VA system. If you like our video, kindly subscribe our channel and share this video with your colleagues so that they will learn about VA system. Till then, thanks a lot. Bye bye.